As I watch students and teachers use geteach.com, I'm finding out that it's taking maybe 30 seconds to a minute for people to figure out how to load a map, and it's pretty much because I want to use as much of the monitor as possible just to actually display the spatial distribution. So there's some things that are kind of hidden. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show. At the bottom of each of these canvases, Canvas 1 and Canvas 2, there's a select map. If you click that, you'll get a series of physical maps, and then you can toggle it to human features as well. So this kind of goes back and forth as I'm clicking, and I can select one of these data sets. Over here you have Map Canvas 1. If I drop down, it'd be Map Canvas 2. This tells the selector where do you want that map. So right now, if I was to click Blue Marble under Map Canvas 2, it'll show up over here. If I was to switch it to Map Canvas 1, click Blue Marble again, it would come over here. You can also, when I close this, if you select Map Canvas 2 over here, it'll just automatically have Map Canvas 2, and then vice versa. Open it up, it'll be Map Canvas 1. Right? So that's kind of the first thing, just getting this menu up of kind of the 21 categories here. I'm going to choose Vegetation Index. If you notice right now there's nothing in layers, but as soon as I click on the map, it'll load these layers up for you. So you can select from January through December. On the Map Canvas 2, I'm going to load up carbon dioxide. Again, there's nothing here. When I click carbon dioxide, it'll show up. So the first question I normally ask students is, what is the vegetation index? What is the carbon dioxide concentration? And they can find that information by clicking the descriptions icon up here. It's a little eye. And when you click it, you'll get a short description and you'll get the credit itself, right? So here's the description of vegetation index followed by the credit. If I come over here to Map Canvas 2, here's the description of carbon dioxide concentration, right? And then the credit below it. So you can either click that to drop the menu, or you can just click I again if you want to. Right, so right now what we're looking at is January vegetation index and January carbon dioxide concentration. Here's where you can switch the layers. So I'm going to go from January to August, and when you do that, you'll notice that it changes the legend, August vegetation index, and you can see the color changes, and then the comparison over here would be August as well. Drop down that. So you kind of see what happened or took place between January and CO2 and August and CO2, and you can let students kind of understand the physical processes of what caused such a dramatic decrease in carbon dioxide concentration. So that's how you change, actually select a map, change the layers, and get the information about layers on geteach.com. Thanks.